Welcome to Bike Review Max. Today's discussion is not about a motorcycle that exists, but about an idea that refuses to disappear. A concept so provocative it challenges the accepted trajectory of modern off-road design. This is the 2026 Yamaha IT490. When the original IT490 emerged in 1983, it represented an uncompromising philosophy. It was large, powerful, and indifferent to rider error. It demanded technical mastery and physical commitment, rewarding expertise with an experience that was raw, mechanical, and deeply visceral. It was not refined by modern standards, nor was it intended to be. It embodied the open-class ethos of its era: performance first, restraint optional. In contrast, today's enduro landscape is defined by precision and polish. The contemporary 450cc four-stroke is a marvel of balance, efficient, predictable, and highly optimized. Within this context, the idea of a new half-liter two-stroke appears almost irrational. And yet, the continued success of modern fuel-injected two-strokes reveals an enduring truth. Riders still value lightness, immediacy, and mechanical clarity. They seek machines that communicate directly, unfiltered by excess mass or complexity. A modern IT490 would not be a nostalgic exercise. It would be a halo project, a statement of intent, a technical showcase demonstrating how advanced emissions control, electronic management, and intelligent design could coexist with a large displacement two-stroke engine. The central challenge is not performance, but control and compliance. The air-cooled, carbureted machines of the past are no longer viable. The only credible path forward lies in a liquid-cooled, reed valve, electronically direct-injected two-stroke architecture. Direct injection is foundational to this philosophy. By eliminating fuel loss during scavenging, it enables a clean, efficient combustion process that can meet or exceed Euro 5 emission standards without sacrificing the defining characteristics of a two-stroke engine. It preserves throttle immediacy, reduces fuel consumption, and allows precise electronic control. At 490cc, the engine would be optimized not for peak aggression, but for torque density and usability. Output in the range of 60 to 65 horsepower would be substantial, yet deliberately managed. A heavy flywheel would smooth the immense reciprocating forces of the large piston, reducing stall tendency and providing consistent low-speed tractability. The electronically governed Yamaha power valve system would be calibrated for progressive operation. Rather than a sudden surge, power delivery would build as a continuous, predictable force, broad, sustained, and controllable. An electronically metered oil injection system would eliminate premix requirements entirely, aligning convenience and reliability with modern expectations. At the center of the system lies the ECU, tasked not with limiting the machine, but with making it usable. Multiple ride modes would allow the same engine to adapt to radically different environments. A traction-focused map for technical terrain, a balanced enduro setting for general use, and a fully open configuration for high-speed conditions and expert riders. Given the engine's torque characteristics, a wide-ratio 5-speed transmission is both sufficient and philosophically consistent, prioritizing simplicity and strength. A hydraulic slipper clutch would manage engine inertia and ensure stability during aggressive deceleration. The chassis must serve as an anchor for this power. A forged aluminum perimeter frame, engineered for torsional rigidity, would provide stability under load and confidence at speed. Geometry would favor length and composure over agility, acknowledging that open terrain is the natural domain of a big-bore enduro. Suspension would be uncompromising. Factory-level KYB 50mm inverted forks and a matched rear shock, valved for sustained high-speed operation, bottoming resistance and thermal consistency. With 310 meters of travel front and rear, the machine would be built to endure distance, speed, and punishment. Braking would be equally deliberate, oversized discs paired with a switchable off-road ABS system, balancing regulatory compliance with rider control. High-quality 21 and 18-inch wheels complete the foundation. Endurance is a defining principle. A 13.5-liter fuel tank would provide genuine long-range capability. Electric start and a lithium-ion battery acknowledge practicality without diluting intent. Full road legality, LED lighting and a minimalist LCD display integrate modern functionality without distraction. Protection and ergonomics reflect purpose. Reinforced guards, a full-coverage skid plate, a flat, firm seat, and adjustable controls designed for aggressive stand-up riding. The 2026 Yamaha IT490, in this vision, is not a revival. It is a statement of philosophy. It represents the reconciliation of raw mechanical character with contemporary responsibility. It is built not for mass appeal, but for riders who understand what they are asking of such a machine. This is not about excess. It is about clarity of purpose. The question is no longer whether such a motorcycle can be engineered. The technology exists. The knowledge is proven. The real question is whether Yamaha is willing to make a declaration to reassert that passion, when guided by intelligence, still has a place at the forefront of off-road motorcycling.